Good morning and welcome to a full day of eating Whole30 style. It is about 11 a.m. I've already worked out and taken a shower, but I have not had breakfast yet. I did have some coffee with some almond milk. I don't really function well in the morning, so I didn't film that. But just make sure if you put almond milk in your coffee, there's just no non-approved Whole30 ingredients in it. So like the carrageenan or carrageenan, however you say that. And obviously any more obvious non-approved items, sugar. I can't think of what else could be in an almond milk, but yeah, just check that out. I'll show my almond milk later. And I am so hungry. Let's get this video started and get some breakfast. Okay, so meal one, I have some strawberries, some avocado, and then this is an egg casserole slash quiche type thing that Alex made. It has multicolored peppers, onion, a little bit of bacon, and then eggs in it. So good. It is about 1 o'clock, and it is my favorite time of the day, snack time. So these little babies are lifesavers on Whole30. When your taste buds start to adjust from cutting out the sugar, I feel like they taste so much sweeter than when I have them when I'm not cutting out sugar. So this is pecan pie. This one's my favorite. Cashew cookie, cashew coconut cream pie, I think is what it is. And what are some other ones that are really good? I think those are my three favorites. They're so good though. So there's only 3 ingredients in this. It's dates, pecans, and almonds. And this is gonna be my snack. Probably not gonna have a big lunch because I had a pretty big breakfast. But yeah, I love these. Lifesavers. One thing I forgot to mention, all of the flavors are not Whole30. So anything with peanut butter and chocolate in it, in the flavor of it, if it says like chocolate or peanut butter, not gonna be Whole30. And then I would just check to make sure. I just Googled like Whole30 approved Lara bars and a whole list came up. So make sure the flavor you get is Whole30. Okay, so for my meal 2, I'm going to be making a shake. This is the almond milk I'm using, some frozen strawberries, frozen banana, some Hershey's cocoa. This is 100% cacao. It says cocoa and cacao on it. I never noticed that. So where are the ingredients? There they are. Focus. So just cocoa or cacao. And then I have this unflavored collagen peptide from Costco, and we're gonna make a shake. I just got these in the mail. My sister told me about these. They are Whole30. There's the ingredients, if it'll focus. There we go. So these are creamers for your coffee, and it's actually flavored. So I'm excited. Okay, Chef Alex, walk me through what you're doing with the steak.
Cooking it on a iron skillet at a very high heat, and just flipping it once to sear it on both sides.
What's on it? What'd you season it with?
Salt, pepper, and a little garlic salt.
Cool.
And olive oil.
Can we talk about these green beans over here?
Okay.
Because this is interesting.
So that is a olive puree.
He made a homemade olive puree. I live with a chef.
We haven't eaten it yet, though. It could be awful.
So what'd you do to make the puree?
Put it in a Vitamix.
The olive?
Yep.
And that's it?
Yep.
All right. And nothing else is on the green beans?
Just a little lemon pepper.
Cool. It looks amazing. Green beans, sweet potatoes, and stew. Get in my belly.